Last night was a massacre. Probably wonder why I got these hammers in my hand. Somebody else got nailed. But I let you know what the hammers are for. It's about last night. Let's keep it.
This is back 25 right now. I'm 15. This 925. That's 400. That's 425.
So what you need?
Get a little foot of this thing.
What the fuck is he doing with all this mattress? This is the part where he thought they had finished. Oh my God. Did you motherfucker see that? Take the L for this thing. Fuck out of here. What the fuck is he in a fucking race? DSR. Number 1. Motherfucker, I told you I built this motor. What the fuck just happened? I'm just Carlos in my situation. Hey man, that wasn't even a fucking race. What kind of shit was that? Alright, stop. At this point in time, I wonder who the fuck is Oscar calling on the phone right now? Is he calling the police? At this beginning of the time, I wonder what happened to the trophy. Where's the trophy? No, don't tell me Oscar Camp exposed the trophy. Reenactment of Oscar.
Damn, Oscar. What the fuck you doing back here?
Nah. Don't want to talk about it. Don't talk about it.
Where the fuck the trophy at? What you doing with them hammers in your hand?
Talk about it. Things happen. Things happen, man.
Oscar, you lost one race. You down that bad? Why you got the hammers? Oh, Oscar, no! No! Oscar, it's only one race! Oscar!
They should let me use my trick. I was not letting me lose.
Damn!